Today we wanted to take a gear. We wanted to put it in the Hydro Blast. If you're a mechanic shop and all you're interested in is getting clean parts, the Hydro Blast is a perfect parts washer for you. Hey guys, Nikki back with Vapor Honing Technologies. I wanted to take this gear and we're going to put it in the Dry Blast cabinet. This is the Dry Blast 900. It's got 220 aluminum oxide in it. What we're going to do is bring this surface to a place where it's going to have a profile. It's going to make it easier for coatings. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back after dry blasting this gear. As you can see, it has removed all the grime off of this. It's going to be able to be recoated now if that's something that is desired. Give us a call if you have any questions about wet blasting, dry blasting, or parts washers. You can reach us at 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.